Welcome to this Makapay tutorial series. In this first part, we'll get your API key from the Makapay dashboard. You'll need this key to connect your WooCommerce store to Makapay. Open your browser and go to sandbox.makapay.io. This is the Makapay sandbox environment for testing. Log in with your Makapay account. If you don't have one yet, click Sign Up to create a free account. Once you're in the dashboard, click on API in the left navigation menu. Here you can see your API key. This key is used to authenticate your store with Makapay. Click the copy button to copy your API key. Keep this key secure and never share it publicly. You now have your API key. In the next part, we'll install the Makapay plugin on WordPress. Now let's install the Makapay payment plugin on your WordPress store.
Keep in mind that the plugin can be downloaded from the plugin section of Makapay, Merchant Account.
Open your WordPress admin dashboard and log in. Go to Plugins, then click Add New Plugin. Click the Upload Plugin button at the top of the page. Click Choose File, and select the Makapay plugin zip file from your Downloads folder. Click Install Now and wait for the installation to complete. Once installed, click Activate Plugin to enable Makapay on your store. The Makapay plugin is now installed and activated. In the next part, we'll configure the plugin settings. Let's configure the Makapay plugin with your API key and settings. Go to WooCommerce, then Settings, then click on the Payments tab. Find Makapay in the list and click the toggle to enable it. Then click Manage to configure. Make sure the Enable Makapay Payment Gateway checkbox is checked. Paste the API key you copied from the Makapay dashboard earlier. Enter your merchant wallet address. This is where you'll receive your crypto payments.
Here you can select multiple options by clicking each item you want. For example, let's select Ethereum, Polygon, and Makachain together. And the same applies to the tokens. We'll enable both USDT and USDC.
For testing, enable the Debug Log option. This helps troubleshoot any issues. Click Save Changes to apply your configuration. The plugin is now configured. In the final part, we'll set up the webhook for automatic payment notifications. Finally, let's configure the webhook. Webhooks allow Makapay to notify your store automatically when a payment is completed. Since we're testing on localhost, we need ngrok to create a public URL. Open your terminal, type ngrok http 10003 and press enter. Replace 10003 with your WordPress port number. Ngrok generates a public HTTPS URL. Copy this URL. This is your webhook address. Back in the Makapay dashboard, click on Webhooks in the left menu. In the webhook URL field, paste your ngrok URL and add /Makapay webhook at the end. Toggle the Enable Webhook switch to On. Click Save Configuration to apply your settings. Below you can see the webhook payload format. Makapay will send payment events, order IDs, and transaction details to your store. Congratulations! Makapay is now fully integrated with your WooCommerce store. Your customers can pay with cryptocurrency, and you'll receive automatic payment notifications.